All right, guys, lots to talk about here. Lots going on in the crypto market. We have an up day right now. We've got XRP up dramatically here. That would be nice if it was up 51,969%, right? That's all. That's like the entire time. Let's look at the one day. Oh, it's only up 3.5%. Okay. So, yeah, got some stuff to tell you about XRP news. President Trump's making some moves that is positively directly impacting XRP as well as all major cryptos. You can see Ethereum's up 6%, Bitcoin's up 2%, so forth and so on. Solana's up 3%, and we've got some nice movement going on. Okay, so what is it that is going on? Well, let's take a look real quickly. So you may not be aware of this unless you're on X, unless you're kind of following all this kind of stuff, which is again why you subscribe to me. So please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. I cover XRP crypto every single day. And my goal is really twofold: to help you make more money and help you just be more informed. Okay, so President Trump has signed an executive order. He has signed it, allowing crypto to be included in 401k retirement plans. If you didn't know this, this is kind of why it's a big deal. There is over 12.5 trillion, it's with a T, held in 401k accounts. Yeah. So now, is every single dollar of this going to flow into crypto? No, that's not going to happen. But what you see here is a seismic shift in the attitude of our governmental organizations towards crypto. Under the previous presidency, we wouldn't even be having this discussion. Okay. And not a political statement, just saying their track record with crypto was very much anti-crypto. Okay. So again, Trump has signed the order allowing for crypto and real estate investment vehicles, assets, things of that nature to be included in 401k property accounts, 401k accounts. Okay. So this is a good thing. So Trump's done it again in a positive way for XRP, for crypto, because here's what's going to happen. Will a lot of people with these 401k accounts run out and buy XRP? No, not necessarily. I mean, you've got steps that have to happen. You know, the 401k issuing companies, the companies like Fidelity and Charles Schwab and JP Morgan, what have you, they will have to change their policies and their abilities with these accounts for people to be able to say, okay, I have X amount in my 401k. And yes, I want it in some bonds and some stocks and things of that nature, but I also want to buy crypto. And so those companies like Fidelity, Schwab, et cetera, the largest 401k management companies out there, or companies like them, will have to change their processes to get this for it to be an ability. I think again, we see a lot of traditional companies like Fidelity, like Schwab, those guys, they are making moves to get into crypto. Okay. So, ultimately, I think, yes, you will be able to buy in your 401k the individual assets, but that's not tomorrow. Okay. But it is coming. And this is more of a positive general move for the entire crypto market. But secondly, XRP ETFs, they're going to be approved. They're going to be approved most likely by the fourth quarter of 2025. Okay, by the end of December. Again, you'd be able to buy XRP ETFs, just like you could buy Bitcoin ETFs, things of that nature. These are the types of asset vehicles, that we would be able to direct these 401k monies into. Okay, so this is good stuff. All right. So real quickly, I usually talk about the top of the video, but hey, I've got a free newsletter if you want to get in. It's a free wealth strategies. It's a newsletter that's delivered twice to your email every week. With its sole goal is to keep you informed and help you generate more wealth, more profits in crypto and stocks. Okay, so there's a link in the description below this video. If you're watching this video on X, links below this video as well. All you got to do is put your name and email in, and I will promise I will not email you junk. It will just be specifically stuff having to do with how you can generate more wealth and profits with crypto and stocks. Okay. So wrapping up here, we're looking good. I like what we're seeing, and we'll see how this continues to play out. But Trump did it again for us in a positive way, helping XRP and the entire crypto market. All right. So before I let you go, you want to make even more money in crypto? Look, this is how you do it. This is a trading indicator. It's a little piece of software that runs on an iPhone, runs on your desktop, like you see me doing it, runs on an Android device. You can use this anywhere in the world. It tells you when to buy and when to sell any crypto you want to track, as well as any stock you want to track. This is it working for XRP. This is a buy alert and a sell alert. In 21 days, XRP, they went up 65%. So $1,000 bought here, sold here would have made you an additional $659 in profit. Then again, a sell alert, don't take a 20% loss, right there, said sell. And then boom, it said buy again. And now after that buy alert, we're up about 10%. Okay. So that's it. That's how it works. So this is Ethereum. Buy here, sell, buy, sell. In 23 days, they make 54%. Sell, don't take an 11% loss. A new buy alert coming in, and now we're up 11%. Okay, that's what the software does. It tells you when to buy, when to sell. Do you know when to buy any crypto? Do you know when to sell any crypto? No, you don't. If you're not using software, you are completely flying blind. Okay, so that's what that technology does. By the way, it costs about $1.15 a day to use this software. You spend more than that on a pack of bubble gum, on candy, on a cup of coffee. Okay, why not invest in yourself, right? At least try it. You have 30 days, by the way, no questions asked, money back, refund guarantee. You don't like the software for any reason, you don't like it, you can't, you just don't, it's not for you. You can cancel and get a refund. So you really get to try it for free. Okay. There's a quarterly option, is the cheapest on a per day basis. There's links in the description below, the link below this video, right down there below in the description here on YouTube. If you're watching this on X, the links is below this video as well. So go give it a look. You have zero risk in this and zero something to lose here. Look, well, I don't understand this. I don't want to use software. I don't want to use, okay. Well, you're here to make profits. You're here to make money. What are you doing to accomplish your goals? Have you done anything to change? The definition of crazy insanity is doing the same thing over and over again, expecting a different result. So why not empower yourself? This is what the wealthy people do, and this is what the whales do. They use technology like this. And by the way, my trading indicator is the cheapest out there price-wise there is. Okay, there are trading indicators that charge $300 a month to use their software. And I'm literally charging about $1.15 a day. Okay, so give it a look. Links are down there. Try it out. You have zero risk in this equation. And we'll continue to see how the rest of the day plays out. Again, nice day. I think it's all directly attributed to Trump signing this order allowing crypto to be moved in. And what you need to understand about this is it's not something that's going to happen tomorrow, but this is one of those foundation pieces of opening up crypto to mainstream people out there who are not invested in, who could be investing in crypto. Again, using their 401k with $12+ trillion locked up in 401ks. This is a good thing. See you. Bye.